Hey, watch your fat arms!
Excuse me, ma'am. Your little girl dropped her teddy bear.
What? Little girl? Why would she think that?
I don't know, maybe she saw you try to throw that feather in the yard yesterday.
Don't watch me when I'm doing stuff. What's up, dudes?
Stewie, what the hell is all this?
Only the most manly thing ever. A little something called American football.
Is that a Michael Sam jersey?
Yep, 2 boy names. Doubly masculine.
Like George Michael?
Shut up!
Okay, kids, let's start practice.
Yeah, football. Boy stuff.
Okay, Stewie, enough is enough. All right, let's get you out of here.
Yeah, you probably should get him out of there because he's just a little shrimp.
Thank you.
I mean, look at him. Mike Tyler would kill him out there.
Come on, Stewie.
You know, ballet is great exercise. Maybe you should put short stack in a tutu.
You know what, Stewie? Get the hell out on that field.
All right, and nobody's blocking.
Oh my God, Stewie! Are you okay?
You do me an honor, Lieutenant, but my dance card is full.